Oh gosh.
Whoa!
Whoa! Gosh.
This is disgusting!
So gross. I think Pinocchio is the one when he got swallowed by Monstro.
Yeah.
I don't remember Pinocchio leaving a trail of blood, though.
I don't remember whales having speed boosts inside them either, but here we are.
Oh gosh.
That would be me.
Check out my character. He's like barely hanging on the back of his sled.
How are we supposed to get to the top of the mountain from here? Oh, come on! The lighthouse will take you to the top of the mountain. Just follow its line.
But the lights are on.
Sometimes. Here. The answer is here, beneath the surface.
Oh boy.
It's the obligatory water level.
That looks chilly.
Who does?
Actually, it looks really nice.
We're cold, Cody. Wow.
Okay.
I've never seen it before.
Oh, interesting. Wow.
How do we get to the top of the mountain?
It is a metaphor. Sorry.
What is that machine?
I think it's right under the light.
Oh, well, we're out of the water already.
What is this place?
No. It's huge.
Welcome to the world of rapture.
Yeah, of course. Hola! Over here! Oh, great.
Here we go.
Candy factory?
You see those generators over there? Repair them, and sweet candy will flow again. I see. Okay. So, don't tell me. We're just gonna bring the sweetness back into our relationship. Of course! Yeah, sweetness of relationship.
Just throw us some sweets and we'll cancel the divorce.
Sweetness comes in many forms. Milk. When was the last time you thanked Goldie for taking care of everything in your home? And when have you shown me some appreciation for working overtime to support the family? Well, there was that time when, you know, exactly. Now, turn on the candy production and make the sweetness blow again.